Tiles that create piano notes. Tiles are not just simple flooring materials, they can also become a wonderful source of artistic inspiration, like the notes on a piano keyboard. With a unique design inspired by the black and white piano keys, each tile creates a vivid visual melody right beneath your feet. The rhythm of the harmonious black and white shades is elegant and refined, making the space feel both modern and full of artistic flair. When light reflects on the tile surface, each note seems to come alive, bringing a sense of movement and vibrancy to the room. This design is perfect not only for living rooms, bars, and balconies, but also for luxury resorts, where every detail tells its own unique story. In particular, the addition of artistic cement tiles has enhanced the luxurious and sophisticated look of Resort Hilton Phuquoc, giving the space a vibrant, distinctive, and high-end atmosphere. Choosing these tiles not only elevates aesthetic value but also adds a personal touch like a piano melody that never ends.